Yes, students, last time I have defined you some properties of divided differences. Yes, okay. Now we give you an example to solve a problem by using the divided difference. That is, you have to find out a divided difference. That is, the question is like that: if fx, yes, if fx is equal to 1 by x square, find the divided differences FAB, okay, FABC and FABCD. Okay, so you know the properties of divided difference. Now we start the solution is, yes, from the definition of the, or you know the properties of divided difference. You know f of, yes, f of AB, you know, this is equal to f of B minus f of A, yes, divided by B minus A. Okay, so substituting here is the function is f of x is equal to 1 by x square. So substituting here, f of B become, this become 1 by, this is 1 by B square, yes, minus 1 by A square divided by B minus A. Yes, solving this you get the, this one is equal to, yes, A square minus B square, yes, divided by A square, B square and operated by B minus A. Now if we are taking the this sign minus sign is common here, then this become A minus B. So this is again is equal to minus of, yes, A plus B, that is A plus B divided by A square plus B square. Yes, clear? This is the value of f of AB. Similarly, you have to find out the FABC. Okay, actually in f of ABC, here we can say that is FAB. This is equal to minus A plus B divided by A square plus A square into A square into B square. Yes. Similarly, you can find out f of BC. Yes. Similarly, you get f of BC. Yes, this is equal to, on the same way you can calculate, this value is B minus of B plus C, yes, divided by B square C square. Yes, clear? Yes. Now you find out the value of FABC. Okay, FABC. Now you operating the definition of the finite difference operator. This is f of BC, okay, minus f of AB, yes, and divided by C minus A. Yes, clear? And now substituting use all the values of f of BC and f of AB, you get this minus this, yes, divided by C minus, then this is equal to, again is equal to 1 by C minus A, yes, and this become BC, yes, minus f of AB, then BC in place of BC, you cannot, this can be written as, here is minus sign, so this become minus BC, minus of this, and minus minus, that is plus of this is, that is this become A plus B, yes, okay, divided by A square B square minus B plus C divided by B square C square. Yes, okay. Now if you can calculate this, then you get, this is again is equal to 1 by, yes, c minus a, and this become b, this become b plus a or a plus b, yes, and multiplied by a square is b square, b square, so here is c square, yes, minus of b plus c and multiplied by a square, yes, clear, and divided by, here is a square, b square, c square, yes, clear. Now if you solve this equation multiplying this, and now you get this become 1 by c minus a, and here is b c square plus a c square minus b a square minus c a square, yes, divided by a square b square c square. Okay, then this can be written as, this is also, if you solve this equation, then you get this is again is equal to 1 by c minus a, and here is c square a square minus 1, therefore b of c square minus a square, yes, from here and here. Okay, now plus ac from this and this, you can take ac, yes, and ac is equal to, yes, ac this multiplied by c minus a, yes, clear, and divided by a square b square c square. Okay, now this can be written as b c minus a is common here, which is cancel out, yes, clear, then here becomes c plus a, and here is again become ac. Solving this equation, you can easily get ab, yes, plus bc plus ca, and divided by a square b square c square. This is the result for f of abc. Similarly, you can obtain the value of f of abcd, because you have obtained this value. Similarly, you can find out the other times of f of abc. Similarly, you can obtain the next one, that is the properties like that. Yes. Now next one, you have to want to obtain f of a b c d. Okay, f of a b c d, this is equal to, this can be written as f of b c d minus f of a b c, yes, okay, this divided by d minus a, yes, and now similarly you have obtained here f of abc. Similarly, you can write down bcd. Okay, you get the same term, that is 1 divided by d minus a, and here is bc plus cd plus db, okay, and divided by b square c square d square, and here is minus ab, you have obtained earlier f of abc. Okay, ab plus bc plus ca divided by a square b square c square, yes, clear. Now this can again be written as, this is f of abc, that is f1 by d minus a, yes, this can be written as here a square b square c square, b square c square d square, so the common term is a square b square c square d square, yes, then bc plus cd plus db, yes, operated by a square minus ab plus bc plus ca, yes, operated by this can, here the whole term, and now this is operated by d square, because here not d square, or and all the in denominator a square b square c square and d square. Clear? Okay. Now if you solve this again, this can be written as 1 by, yes, d minus a, yes, okay. And here is a, b, c, common take the term, here is a square minus a d square, so this can be written as bc, you can take as, bc is here and bc is here, so you can take here, this is a square minus d square, yes, okay, plus c a d, yes, this can be written as a minus d and plus d b a, and here is again a minus d, yes, clear, and divided by a square, b square, c square and d square, yes. So a minus d, that is you can get minus of d minus a, then you can take here a minus d on these terms, first term, this term, this term, here is a plus d and here is the become terms, yes. So this is equal to, yes, minus sign, and here is bc, a plus d, okay, plus cad plus dba divided by a square, b square, c square, d square, and this is again is equal to minus of, okay, abc plus bcd plus cad plus dba, okay, and divided by a square, b square, c square, d square, yes, okay, that is you get the value of f of abc, yes, clear. Here f of x is equal to x square. Similarly, you can solve all other the questions, that is the if f of x is equal to x square, f of x is equal to x cube, like that. Then you find out the divided difference of the f of abc, abcd, like that. Okay, yes, thank you. Next video I will also explain you some other examples also. Okay, thank you.